Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to join Honor Launch event. Today we shift our focus from device-centric to human-centric. Let's together unleash the power of magic. We redesigned our iconic Eye of Muse to Starville triple camera. Honor Magic5 support industry-first LTPO display with 2160Hz PWM dimming. Honor Magic5 Pro display have the industry-first EUV Greenland circadian friendly certification. Honor Magic5 Pro have the best display, full camera system. Only Magic5 Pro can record this magic moment. AI motion sensing capture. This never happened in the smartphone industry. Honor Magic5 Pro have the #1 score for camera parts, the best SoC platform, and here also the new record, flagship smartphone battery life. This is the industry first silicon carbon battery technology. Today, I bring to you the Honor Magic5 Pro. The price is €1,199. Let's go beyond. Let's work together. Thank you very much. Thank you.